Whether you're a professional photographer or a passionate amateur, these are the camera gadgets to own in 2022. Get them to take your work to the next level. Photography is a fascinating pastime and profession, but it's even better when your kit includes some of the best camera and photography gadgets to buy in 2022. Whether you're a pro or an enthusiast, you want all the parameters under your control. This photography tech can help. Bring your vision to life with the Panasonic Lumix GH6 digital mirrorless camera. Featuring a new 25.2 megapixel live MOS sensor, it produces higher pixel counts and higher resolution, higher bitrate video. Moreover, this digital camera has a vastly improved image quality. This is all thanks to the upgraded intelligent detail processing that provides 2D and high-performance 3D noise reduction to minimize noise. As a result, 3D-like images feature high sensitivity with minimal noise. Furthermore, the Panasonic Lumix GH6 boasts high-precision dual 3D color control that achieves improved brightness, saturation, and hue, leaving a richer color expression. This mirrorless camera also delivers unlimited recording time, which is great for production teams working in demanding conditions. There's also the option for internal recording and external recording via HMI output. Finally, the 5-axis dual image stabilizer 2 provides crystal clear footage. Up-level your phone photography with the SANDMARC Anamorphic Lens Edition for iPhone 13. Available in 2 sizes, one 33x and one 55x, it enables you to capture cinematic footage with an ultra-wide aspect ratio of either 2:4:1 or 2:75:1. The SANDMARC Anamorphic Lens Edition for iPhone 13 also offers a field of view of 113 deg or 120 deg. Moreover, this iPhone accessory features a unique oval shape. This design lets you capture more horizontal information by reducing the image size to capture more in a single shot. Additionally, the lens uses multi-element, multi-coated, and anti-reflective glass for optimal performance. Finally, when subject to vivid light, from car headlights or street lights, it creates a lens flare. This enhances the quality and improves clarity, allowing you to film at night. Achieve professional footage when you have the DJI RS 3 camera stabilizer. It has dual-layered quick-release plates, enabling you to mount your camera quickly and easily. Best of all, you won't need to rebalance the gimbal after swapping out a new battery or memory card. Moreover, this camera stabilizer includes a newly added fine-tuning knob on the tilt axis. This allows your camera to slide forward or backward with millimeter-grade precision. Furthermore, the DJI RS 3 lets you get up and running quickly. Simply press and hold the power button, and the axes automatically lock in enter sleep mode. This makes transportation and travel more efficient. Meanwhile, this photography gadget supports wireless shutter control, saving time and effort with every use. Finally, weighing only 2.8 pounds, it's easy to hold, and it has a 6.6-pound load capacity to support mainstream cameras. Enjoy the iconic M series design with all the modern tech you expect with the Leica M11 digital rangefinder camera. It boasts a new 60-megapixel CMOS sensor with triple resolution technology. It gives you raw image files in JPEG and DNG format at 60, 36, or 18 megapixels. What's more, this camera boasts a new 2.3 MP touch display, making setup easy and intuitive. Then, the powerful Maestro 3 provides smooth, responsive operation. Meanwhile, a wide ISO and dynamic range deliver stunning images in any lighting situation. Moreover, the Leica M11 is certified to work with your iPhone and iPad and features dedicated connectivity capabilities. Furthermore, a dual memory concept allows users to save files in 2 locations at once. Best of all, the 1000 mAh battery lasts longer than earlier versions and is energy efficient. Finally, the digital zoom zeroes in on your subject from 1.3x, 1.8x. Use the GoPro Volta external battery grip to enhance your photography. It gives you more than 4 hours of 5.3 Kelvin resolution recording, a total of 3 times the usual runtime. Moreover, this external battery grip includes built-in buttons for single-handed camera control. You can also use a wireless camera remote and clip-out legs for convenience use. In fact, the remote allows you to control your camera from up to 80 feet away. Moreover, the GoPro Volta has integrated camera buttons, so you can power on, off, start, stop, capture, and switch modes with ease. This photography accessory also charges other USB-C devices, making it ideal to power your gadgets on the go. Finally, it boasts a weather-resistant design and status lights for battery life in the camera mode. Invest in a versatile companion that unlocks pro-level photography and videography. The DJI OM5 Gimbal for iPhones. Compatible with pretty much all iPhones, this photography accessory delivers super smooth videos and flawless footage. In fact, the Shot Guides feature provides creative tips, enabling you to achieve stunning shots in all environments. The DJI OM5 Gimbal also offers intelligent shooting modes. These include panorama, time-lapse, story mode, dynamic zoom, clone mi pano, spin shot, and slow motion. In particular, story mode lets you choose a template and follow prompts to create an enticing short video, even if you're new to shooting. Furthermore, this gimbal for iPhones boasts a foldable, lightweight design that's perfect for photography on the go. Overall, fitting in the palm of your hand, it's easy to use and store. All the while, the built-in extension rod lets you include more friends in a selfie. Enhance your photos with the Gentoo 420 800mm HD telephoto zoom lens. Developed by a company with more than 15 years of experience, this lens ensures you get high quality and optimal consistency. Designed for both professionals and novices alike, this super telephoto zoom lens delivers the sharp precision you need. In fact, you'll love its long-range performance and image quality. It somehow keeps your gear cost low while improving the result. Crafted with a super strong full metal body, it weighs only 1.8 pounds, making it easy to take with you anywhere. Additionally, it uses multi-coated low-dispersion glass and an oxidized lens body surface, preventing paint loss and providing wear resistance. Take photos of wildlife, nature, and distant subjects while you remain hidden far away. Achieve pro-level photography and videography with the PolarPro Apex minimalist tripod base. Designed with stainless steel tilt locks, it offers over 144 leg positions for the perfect placement. All the while, it supports cameras weighing up to 25 pounds for excellent versatility. Moreover, this photography gadget features a 35-dig angled plate release knob to enable hot swapping tripods or other mounts. Place the PolarPro Apex on all hard surfaces, as it includes removable rubber feet to reveal aluminum spiked feet for optimal stability. Meanwhile, its aluminum construction promotes durability and makes it lightweight enough to transport on long trips. In fact, it weighs only 16 pounds, which is more than 3 pounds lighter than the average tripod. This makes it perfect for traveling photographers. Achieve professional videography from your smartphone with the SmallRig 3611 Universal Lite Video Kit for iPhone series. Compatible with iPhone Series 6, 12, the Samsung Galaxy 21 series, and various Huawei models, it's perfect for on-the-go shoots. Above all, this photography accessory supports both horizontal and vertical shooting and optional grips. Featuring multiple mounting holes, it has room to support a microphone and LED light, handles, a tripod, and more. Furthermore, this smartphone photography gadget includes a built-in quick-release magnetic design for power bank holders to offer a complete power supply solution. You can also move the smartphone holder left and right for easy adjustment and access to all buttons. All the while, the split-level design won't affect your phone's signal. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.